Want to record stunning 4K videos on your iPhone but not sure how to enable the highest quality settings? By default, iPhones don't always record in 4K, but with a few quick changes, you can unlock crystal clear, high-resolution video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to record 4K videos on an iPhone. Let's get started. To start recording in 4K resolution, unlock your iPhone and open the Camera app. Switch to Video mode. In the top right corner, you should see the resolution and frame rate displayed. For example, 4K 30 or 4K 60. If you don't see 4K, tap on the resolution text and switch between HD and 4K. What type of resolution should I use? HD at 30 FPS. Standard HD recording, good for saving storage. 4K at 24 FPS, best for cinematic-style videos with a film-like motion. 4K at 30 FPS, a balance between quality and smooth motion. 4K at 60 FPS, the smoothest 4K recording, great for action shots and fast motion. To enable 4K recording, select either 4K at 24 fps, 30 fps, or 60 fps depending on your preference. If you want cinematic movie-like footage, choose 4K at 24 fps. For general high-quality recording, 4K at 30 FPS is a great option. If you want the smoothest playback and the ability to slow down footage in editing, 4K at 60 FPS is the best choice. Once set to 4K, press the record button and start capturing high-resolution footage. Once you've recorded your 4K footage, you can edit videos directly on your iPhone using the Photos app or more advanced apps like iMovie, CapCut, or LumaFusion. When exporting, make sure to keep the 4K resolution so you don't lose quality when sharing or uploading. Recording 4K videos on iPhone is the best way to capture high-resolution, professional-quality footage. Whether you choose 24 FPS for a cinematic look, 30 FPS for balanced quality, or 60 FPS for smooth motion, these settings ensure you're getting the best video possible. Don't forget to check your storage space, enable HDR, and use ProRes on Pro models for even better results. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.